Glad to be in Hindupur. Balakrishna sir is the MLA here, so Jai Balya. So and also I'm and actor I think Pawan Kalyan is everybody.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈ రోజు ఈ వీడియోలో మన హిందూపూర్లో జనవరి 26న గ్రీన్ ట్రైన్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసినారు. ఎవరు అనుకుంటున్నారా? అప్సరా రాణి గారు. ఈమె వచ్చేసి మన ఆర్జీవి సినిమాలో ఒక హీరోయిన్ గా నటించారు, డేంజరస్ మూవీలో. అదేవిధంగా క్రాక్ మూవీలో రవితేజ గారి సినిమాలో ఒక స్పెషల్ సాంగ్ కూడా చేసినారు. ఓపెనింగ్ వీడియోని చూసేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ టైం మీరు నా ఛానల్ని చూస్తున్నట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
Hello Hindupur and happy Republic Day. Thank you all of you for coming here. Thank you for coming here. I feel amazing. Thank you.
మేడం చూడండి బాబు ఫోటో తీసుకొచ్చి group Kevin Care order to vertical business.
Everyone, Jai Hind. I think it's the best day for your salon opening. I think very auspicious and great day, and I'm glad to be in Hindupur. This is my first time I visited here. I learned that Balakrishna sir is the MLA here, so Jai Balia. So and also I'm very grateful to be a part of Green Trend Saloon now. I heard it's 16 branches all over South and all over India. So I think I'm very grateful to be a part of it, and soon probably I should also get a franchisee.
Very soon we are going to open in Pune as well.
Yeah, I think I want to have a business also. I got a business idea now. I think it's a great idea, and the saloon is so spacious and so great, and it feels amazing to be here. Thank you, Krishna sir, Govardhan sir, and Divya ma'am for having me here. And I think he's the mastermind of Hari Krishna sir. He's the mastermind of the marketing and everything. I think it's all very well done, and the saloon looks very premium, very luxurious. I think I also will get some stuff done after the press meet. So very grateful to be here. Thank you and Jai Hind. That I'm shooting for Raj Charikam. It's a Telugu film. It's a 90s background film, and I'm the main lead. The story will be, and actor I think Pawan Kalyan is everybody.
క్రాక్ అప్సరా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి తెలుసు క్రాక్ అప్సరా క్రాక్ మూవీ అప్సరా ఓకే
Thank you for coming here. Thank you for having me. Very good. Feeling very excited. I'm here for Green Trend Saloon inauguration, and it's amazing. It's a great saloon. You guys should visit and suggest your girlfriends also.
వీడి ఇంపార్టెంట్ రైట్ ఎంతమందికి ఏ పాట మీద ఆడతారో మేడం అడుగుదాం ఓకే మ్యూజిక్ స్టార్ట్
Saloon has very reasonable prices. It's not very expensive, and it's very good quality products that they're using, and it's very reasonable. Even they've kept in mind that middle class people, it should be affordable for them. So I think it's going to be a great service for you guys, and I'm very excited now. Everybody should come out with good hair day, good fresh hair day. I think it's wedding season, so all brides should get their booking done, and yeah. So thank you for having me. Thank you everyone for all the love. Means